Here we go. Cobra on Walibi Belgium. Coaster number 14 today and coaster number 9 at Walibi Belgium. Another completed park. 2 completed parks today. That was great.
That was great.
Yeah. This is second Cobra today. Sorry, second boomerang today.
Yeah,
we're doing. The first one was named simply Boomerang. This one is named Cobra. This time we are doing a front row to give you this amazing look. Let's see if you can see that. Oh, this very nice park. Really like Walibi Belgium. It was fun.
Yeah.
Are you ready, guys? Here we go. We'll only do this for you. Woo-hoo-hoo! They are nice.
They are nice.
They are very nice. I like them. But still, Hangover is my favorite. Oh, there we go. Tricked us there. Woo-hoo-hoo! That loop is so fast going backwards. It's just wow. Oh, it's so fast. Oh. That's Boomerang. No, Cobra. Oh my gosh. Woo. It's nice in the front row though. Really, I really enjoy that.
You see so much.
It's a great coaster.